Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to open WhatsApp messages using WhatsApp Desktop on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Install WhatsApp on your computer. Step 2. Launch the WhatsApp Desktop application by clicking on its icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Step 3. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device and go to the Settings menu. On Android, click on the three dots in the top right corner. On iOS, go to the Settings tab. Step 4. Select the Link a Device option from the Settings menu. This will open the QR code scanner. Step 5. Point your phone's camera towards the QR code displayed on the WhatsApp Desktop application and scan it. Step 6. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Step 7. Once the QR code is scanned, WhatsApp Desktop will sync with your mobile device and your WhatsApp messages will be displayed on your PC. Step 8. Now, you can access and interact with your WhatsApp messages on your PC using WhatsApp Desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully opened WhatsApp messages using WhatsApp Desktop on your PC. Stay connected and enjoy the convenience of using WhatsApp on a larger screen. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you next time.